Computers are amazing. They can do incredible things, from showing us funny cat videos to helping scientists understand space. But, computers don't speak our language. They have their own special languages called programming languages. Programming languages tell computers what to do. They are sets of instructions that we write to create websites, build apps, and even control robots. In our tech world, knowing a programming language is like having a superpower. It opens doors to exciting jobs, lets you build your own cool projects, and helps you understand the technology around you. Want to shape the future? Learning a programming language is a great place to start. So many programming languages exist. Which one should you learn first? Many people recommend Python. Why? Because Python is like the friendly, helpful neighbor of programming languages. Python is known for being easy to read and understand, even for beginners. It's also super versatile. Learning Python is like getting a Swiss Army knife of tech skills. You can use it for almost anything. This makes Python a great choice for your first programming language. You can dive into coding amazing things without getting bogged down by complicated rules. What exactly can you do with Python? A lot. Let's say you want to build a website. Python can help you create the website's structure and make it interactive. Interested in data science? Python is a superstar in analyzing large data sets and creating beautiful visualizations. Maybe you dream of building robots. Python can be used to program their movements and actions. Web development, data science, automation. Python does it all. Learning Python is like getting a backstage pass to the coolest areas of technology. It's your ticket to creating, innovating, and making a real impact. Section 4, taking the first step, you can learn Python. You might be thinking, Python sounds cool, but is it really for me? Absolutely, you don't need to be a math whiz or a tech genius to learn Python. Plenty of free resources and online courses can help you get started, even if you've never written a line of code before. Websites like Codecademy and Khan Academy offer interactive Python tutorials that make learning fun and engaging. Don't be afraid to dive in and start experimenting. The best way to learn is by doing. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and every programmer was once a beginner. Section 5. Python, your key to the future. Learning Python is an investment in your future. In today's job market, Python skills are in high demand. Companies across various industries are searching for talented individuals who can code with Python. Knowing Python can open doors to exciting career opportunities, from software engineering to data analysis and beyond. Plus, the problem-solving skills and computational thinking you develop while learning Python are valuable in any field. So what are you waiting for? Take the plunge into the world of Python. Start learning today, and who knows, you might just build the next big thing. Remember, the future is coded, and with Python, you hold the keyboard.